Are you getting irritated by facing couldn't load activity problem on the Instagram app? Don't worry. In today's video, I will show you how you can solve this problem on your iPhone. So let's get started. Before doing anything, ensure that you have a strong internet connection. Otherwise, check your internet connection by following this process. Solution 1. Check the internet speed. Open any browser, search for an internet speed test, tap on the first link, and check whether you have enough speed or not, and then try out Instagram. Otherwise, try the next solution. Solution 2. Try to restart your device. This can sometimes fix minor software glitches on your iPhone. After restarting, check if your problem is fixed or not. And then try our next solution. Solution 3. Update your Instagram app. Open the App Store, search Instagram. If you find any updates available, then tap on Update. Now open the Instagram app and check whether your problem is solved or not. Solution 4. Offload the Instagram app. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on General, now tap on iPhone Storage. Find the Instagram app, tap on it, tap on the Offload the app button, and tap Offload again. Now reinstall the app, and check your problem whether it's fixed or not. So, this is how you can solve your Instagram activity loading problem. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then hit the like button, and if you have any questions, then please ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.